we are thankful to the Chinese for rescuing the Filipinos on board the vessel in the West Philippine Sea. But then there has been an escalation of harsh words between the Chinese embassy or emanating from the Chinese embassy to our lawmakers and our officials. Kasama na dito si Tariela na in the midst of it all na naging subject pa ng complaint, ng diplomatic complaint ng China.
Yes. If you notice, for the past weeks, they started with the fisherman who was rescued 70 nautical miles west of Silangin, or just the mouth of Subic Bay, Larry Tumalis. And then this was followed by the assistance we rendered to a Chinaman who was electrocuted, and the ship was passing through Zamboanga. The Coast Guard was able to respond and to provide assistance to disembark him. And then we have the Devon Bay. So my stand on that is I would leave the diplomatic details to the Department of Foreign Affairs. But every mariner, every merchant ship is mandated to render assistance in the high seas to any ship, any person requiring assistance. And we are thankful to whoever would be able to help a Filipino fisherman, regardless of nationality. Tayo ay nagpapasalamat. What we don't like is we don't have to give a spin to this or to overemphasize, especially if the ship or the nationality conducting the rescue has a record of coercive and aggressive actions against the very fishermen that they have rescued. So it would leave a bad taste in the mouth. The intent would would come into question. Being seafarers, let us extend a helping hand to anybody in the seas, high seas, who would require assistance. That's it. Thank you for that. Anything beyond that would put color to the action rendered.
Hanggang doon na lang po. Thank you very much. Moving on. Ganon.
Yes, hanggang doon lang. Even referencing where he was rescued. If the internationally accepted name of a rock or an island is based on international law or domestic law, they should refer to that, not on their customary law, and say that we have rescued somebody close to this island using their own name of that island.
But
So it will put in question. It will now become propaganda. Nawawala ang bisa, ang gandang loob ng rescue. Nagiging propaganda tuloy siya. As if they have no background of coercive and aggressive actions against us.
okay. But this also departs from their action when there was an incident when their own vessels hit each other. Hindi po ba nag-offer kayo ng tulong pero ayaw nila? Ayaw
Yes.
nila kayong mangialam doon sa pangyayari.
Our Coast Guard ships extended assistance. They offered
Yes.
to help in the search of the personnel. Not only one. I think 2 or 3 other ships in the vicinity broadcasted on Channel 16 extending assistance. So it's normal practice for seafarers, for mariners. And we don't do that we do that without any fanfare. Regardless of nationality, pag kailangan ng tulong, tutulungan natin yan. And we expect the same to be rendered to our fisher folks or our merchant mariners.
So SOP lang yan. It's not out of the ordinary.
It's not out of the ordinary. It is expected actually of Coast Guardsmen.
Alright.
Yun ang trabaho ng Coast Guard, safety of life at sea.